Hi guys, it's Chris here, Serene Education, continuation of the Forex analysis for the 10th of September. Followed next, I'm doing the sterling against US dollar pair on our CTC strategy template on Metastock Pro. Okay, have a quick look at the daily chart, see what's been happening on a bigger time frame, and you can see that this pair has just literally been bouncing around in this consolidation area for days, weeks, not wanting to break lower than 1535. I'm not wanting to break higher literally than at the moment at least around 1547ish. So 20 period moving average is still in play, still resistance area. You can still see this consolidation area where this pair has failed to break lower. Okay, CTC strategy is still telling us we are negative long term, so the pair was able to test the previous top end of this bullish candle we saw on Wednesday. However, still unable to break above that 20 period moving average considered as resistance level, which was also the 50 period. So we had both the 20 and the 50 acting as a ceiling level there, and subsequently forming this. Well, if this was an uptrend, this would be classified as a bearish Arami, pregnant lady, and expecting a turn to the worse. And Asian market side, we actually have seen it actually open lower than the previous day, and it's now testing the 200 period. So, bit of a breather on the intraday time frame. Let's have a look and see where it is exactly now. It's on a precipice at the moment now. You look at hourly charts, it's been squeezed just recently. Now what it's done is it's actually broken that. It's pulled back, failed to break higher. Are we going to see a continuation to the downside? For this to occur, we obviously needed to break below the low of this over here, for example, on this time frame here. And ideally what we could see is it's retesting 1530, for example. Okay, we're negative. It's told us negative. We're in a negative trend, so it's trading below all the moving averages, so look for a potential breakout to occur on this. Okay, so what's happening on an intraday time frame for this? Well, you can see at the moment now, sterling is pushed away. In the last 5 minutes, we've seen it still trading below the 200 period moving averages on the smaller time frames, as well as the hourly and also the 4 hour. So in all these setups, yeah, you can see that sterling is very negative because it's still trading below all the moving averages in each of the time frames. The only one where the moving average is in play is on our daily, right here as we speak. So ideally what we want is we want to see it obviously break this low here, ideally, and then we could see it potentially fall all the way down to roughly around about 1530, 1529 area, or 1529.50. So in a negative squeeze at the moment now. Okay, it could, however, bounce back, but if it breaks below here, then we could see it rally down to at least 1529. We are in a bear channel. We've got our signal on an hourly chart. 50-minute, we haven't got our sell yet. We are still in a negative trend, however. We just need a red confirmation candle. The same with the 30 minutes, red across the board. And 5-minute, we just need the red arrow. So be aware, we need those to confirm, especially on these two time frames, at least a 5 and a 15-minute to give us that confirmation. So as it stands now, more selling to be seen. 1535 would be an ideal target to start with. Ideally, long term, we'd like to see it go as far down as 1530. So be aware of these time frames, guys. Wait for the setups and trade the setups when they occur. Hey guys, I'll be back next with the US dollar chief.